Hello, Peter Goon here. Day 5 of programming every day until I get a full-time job on Orbit. Oh, my fucking back hurts, bro. I don't know left and right. Okay. Test day 5. Try. Roll. Okay. What I want to do today for the editor. I swear this shit's too big right now. It's not. Okay. It's down here, huh? That's where it was. Okay. Push it up. So we have one line of text. We have normal mode, which is just view text and go through it. It's not really normal mode because you can't do any commands on it. You can't change stuff. You can't yank stuff. But okay. What to do next? There's a couple things that we can do. We can figure out holding. So right now, right, if I press L, I pressed it once, but I'm still holding the key, but it's not detecting, right? So we can do that. We could do what could we do? Like multiple lines. Figure out multiple lines. Because okay, what are the? I think I wrote down here. Doing text day 3 minutes. Okay, normal insert. Figured out insert, right? It's just like what was it? Just plus equals the text. Normal mode. Kind of figured that out. Everything like but the commands and JK. So I don't have these done yet. But yeah, I think it was just so slow. Whatever. Can I resize it? I can't, right? It's fine. Figure out holding. Figure out. I'll give myself like 2 things to do, right? Figure out holding. Figure out multiple lines. And once I have holding and multiple lines, what do I need to do? What else does an editor need? Oh, an editor also needs relative line numbers. So that's gonna be. It's looking pretty tricky. How the fuck am I gonna do that? Yeah, I'll just do these 2 things today because I'm tired. Figure out how to hold stuff and figure out multiple lines. And what multiple lines would also mean is that J and K should work, right? Because I should be able to go anywhere in the text if you were to imagine the text as like a, oh my god, my fucking back, hold on. If you were to imagine the text as a 2D matrix. I actually gotta go sleep on. This shit on my bed. Oh, actual poop. But, you know. Okay, figure out holding. Tab, open day 3. Where's the notes? Okay, yesterday I read the Reddit post on video and said this an alternative solution could be having a variable for each key you want to listen for, and in the key down event set it to true, and in the key up event set it to false. And that makes sense, right? Because if you're holding from like in here, right, there's the mode. I'm holding L down, right? And this whole time the key is pressed, right? The key is pressed down, and as soon as I fuck, forgot how this shit works. Holding H as it's pressed down, and as it was gone up, key up, right? Then it goes to false. So I would need a key up and a key down event for each fucking thing. Oh, fuck. Okay. Let's try to figure this out. Oh man. How many lines am I at? 65 so far. It's not too bad. I could start to. Okay. Organize and comments code. I'll do those today. And well, true. If event.type equal to pygame.keydown. I think I changed this to while yesterday and it didn't work. Right? But did it just glitch out? Yeah, it's actually just broken. So that doesn't work. Okay. Alright, here's the advice. Alternative solution could be having a variable for each key you want to listen for. In the key down event, set it to true, and in the key up event, set it to false. In the key down event, set it to true. H. Oh, let's go to false. Oh. is it H bool is equal to false. Let's comment that out. H is equal to true. L is equal to true. While H minus equals 1. That's 12. Fuck. Right. LH. And I don't know if while is the right thing here. I'll figure it out. Cur plus equals 12. It says if cur is greater than start. If cur is less than end. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, I think I can, what the fuck? Comment these out. If event dot type is equal to pygame dot key up. If event dot key is equal to pygame dot kh. H is equal to false. If event dot key is equal to pygame dot k. L is equal to false. Okay. Yeah, I didn't do shit. And okay. If that worked. Whoa. Okay, it goes 2. 2. Should be on the I, should be in the space, should be in the E, should be in the W. It's going twice. Is it just because it's detecting it? Like every time I just press it. Right, so if I do, what is it, 6? 6. No, that's not working either, right? It's going too little. Right? It's going too little there. Why could that be? Oh, it goes 24. What the fuck? I didn't say that. Okay. So I take that. I'll take the Ruby cursor at the start, huh? Yeah. Like what I'm thinking now is that, like, that's what I did. What if there's another way to do this? Like, surely this can't be the only way, right? So what I'm thinking is either there's another way to do this, and it works. My math just could be wrong to begin with, right? But at the same time, it's like, why would it only press it once? I mean, okay, that's an easy way to do this. Counter is equal to 0. Counter plus equals 1. Print. Right, and this will tell us, why is it up? And this will tell us exactly, I'm going to press H 1 time, and it's going to tell me how many times it actually fired, right? Or, okay, should be L. So, that goes, it's 2 at a time. It's pygame render. It's just continuous keyboard input pygame. Continuous keyboard input in pygame for actions like continued movement is typically achieved with the key.getPressed. This function returns a boolean array where each index corresponds to a key and the value is true if the key currently held down and false otherwise. Let's try that. Prevent and keys pygame dot get pressed keys pygame dot key dot get pressed if, and then we just okay. If keys, what is it? Pygame dot h. If cur is greater than start. Cur minus equals 12. If keys pygame dot kl. If cur greater than cur less than end. Is that it? H. Yeah, if cur is less than end. Yeah, cur less equals 12. And then just render it here. So it should work. Nope, it's still 2. H. Okay, well, that won't work. So alright, that won't work. So hold on. Okay. Turn it off, love. What I'm thinking now is that since like it's a varied amount where the square renders, right? And we don't want that. We want like we kind of know all the possible points where the square could be, right? Because we know, or we could know how many characters there are in the line and how many lines there are, right? So that kind of draws like this matrix for us, right? A matrix of, let's say, cells where like imagine like a dude, why can't I move around? Can I make shit smaller? Oh, it's already the biggest it can be. So imagine, right, and then why is it so slow? Why is it so slow, yo? Okay, restore. Right, I can just get rid of this stuff, right? Pretty sure I can. I'll go back to a clean state. So imagine this, right? Scaladron's never been like tweaking like this before. That hot? No, that's like that hot. Just clear. It's actually like pissing me off. No, that didn't do anything. Why is my shit tweaking? Holy fuck. Why is it taking that much memory, bro? Like this. What is replayed? Whatever. Now it's fine. I wonder why I was tweaking out. Okay. That was weird. Okay, so imagine like this is our editor, right? And great editor we have here. But every one of these like cells, right, is a potential spot for the cursor to be rendered because we are using a monospaced font and we know the size and the dimensions of each character, right? And we're gonna know how much it's separated, pretty straight line in terms of height, right? So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do things. I'm low-key gonna go to bed in like 12 minutes, so let's see how far we can get. Okay. Honestly, doesn't go to bed in 12 minutes. I want to like finish one thing. I think I'm just gonna like kind of clean up the code I already have, so then I have somewhere to start tomorrow. Cleaning up meaning adding type hints, kind of organizing stuff better. So okay. Height. Twice. What other constants use? Length. And yeah. What the fuck? Go text. Here go text. VA. Title. Screen nugget size. Background shell. Constant. Strain. Screen. Print. Screen. What is this? Print. Screen. Type. Screen. Where is it? Is it outside of the game loop? Where? Trip it? Oh, because I get restored, duh. Screen is a surface, screen type is a surface. Okay. This. Apply game dot surface. Background is a rect. Game dot. Right. Background dot convert. Print f background background type okay. Background is also a surface. Okay. A surface. Guess that's there. Palette string. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's a font. It's a fucking font. Okay, like, we know that. Render character. Surface. You know, surface. Nice. Correct. Surface. Text font dot render. Alright, that's a surface. Alright, surface is anything you draw. Any image that you want to visualize. Text rendered. Correct. Correct. Okay. Constants. I mean, sure looks nice. Like, what would this be titled? Setup. Setup. See, that's kind of like a constant. We just do it once. Setup. Cursor setup. Game loop. Right, okay. Okay. Commit. What is this? Refactor. Organize code into logical sections. Okay. Because at least I can get one thing checked off. I started this video too late. It's okay. So, okay, let's. I think I need a grid of cells. Of potential cells to render the background properly. I have 2 minutes. Could I? Here, do I render the text at the start? Text to string equals the dog, bird is flying, and the chicken is clucking. Whatever the text. Here. Text to right screen uplit rendered text to text rect to what would this look like? Okay, 12 see 27. Font dot render. Font render my 65 edges. Next, anti-alias color. What was it? Bro, it's like the offset, no? That's it. Oh. Main. Oh, what the fuck was it? Was it in main? Where the fuck is the branch? Get status. Get stash list. Get stash. Get check out, man. So when we make direct, get checkout editor. Dot. Get restore dot get stash up. Text right to bottom top. Oh fuck. 12 27 0 0 0. Text direct to dot 2700. Top right. Again, top left. Move. What? I just called that move. Whatever, bro. Yeah, restore done. Damn. I wish I could do more today, but I gotta rest. But yeah, tomorrow. I'm just gonna talk about tomorrow and do tomorrow. Alright. Bye bye.